What's good, y'all? It's Too Real, and I'll be back with another video. That was ghetto. That storm is ghetto. But today, we're going to be doing a reaction video, you feel me? So we're going to get straight to the point. We're going to be doing this very trendy video. It's called, I bought the most indestructible bulldozer in the world. These boys remind me of where I live at right now. So they out in a whole bunch of snow and stuff like that. We finna get straight to the video. I'm just gonna straight react to it. It's 15 minutes long. I'm probably not gonna react to the whole video. I'm blind reacting to this too as well. So we just gonna see what's up. It's #1 trending. These boys must have a crazy channel. They got us watching this little ad real quick, so we're gonna skip that.
I've been looking for a new bulldozer for my excavation company. A Komatsu D355A, one of the rarest things in America.
Why would you need like a 50-year-old bulldozer? Get a newer one. They're cheaper to maintain.
I just like this one in particular. We've been looking for a very long time.
My boy is stuck.
One was in North Korea.
My boy is stuck on getting this particular bulldozer. He said it's super rare, all this type of stuff. So I don't know. I ain't hillbilly. I don't be into construction. I don't be into none of that. But we gonna skip ahead. We gonna see what he needs this bulldozer for.
We called the owner and he said he wasn't really wanting to sell it, and he finally changed his mind. So we immediately packed everything up and headed to Montana.
Oh, he finna get it.
It's about 5 degrees out, so it's gonna be super hard to start this thing. We have to get this thing put back together, started, and loaded onto a trailer in the next 2 days.
We ain't even gotta skip ahead. He already doing it for us, y'all. He's straight to the point with it. I like this dude. I like him. This bulldozer crazy big.
This is the only dozer in the world that we can find that was even available.
These boys was looking in Australia, y'all. You heard me. They is not playing. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that bitch big though. Like, what y'all even need this for?
Yeah, it's a beast. Alright. When's the last time I fired up?
Oh, we purchased here last fall. 10 or 15 years. This is the third one I've had.
Really? What happened to the others?
It's really big. Like, it's
This bulldozer, y'all, is like stupid. Like, if you y'all gonna see, he is way taller than me. So that's crazy. What do you need this for, though? Let's skip ahead. Let's see.
What'd you just keep going? This is gonna be a bitch. This is an all-day job. It's just disassembling the dozer at that point. Might be a little more complicated than we thought. I guess the guy was unaware that the ripper weighed so much, and now we're talking about having to take not only the blade, but the ripper off too, which is not an option because this is absurd. It's gonna take all day for that.
If we can get one
We
in time.
need to get to the store before they close. We gotta get more propane.
I ain't gonna lie, my boy is not playing around with y'all. Like, they gonna do whatever it takes to get this bulldozer, y'all. They gotta take it apart just to get it. Me personally, go find a crane. We gotta get a crane out here.
Alright, it is 4 in the morning. We're gonna try to warm it up again super early. We're gonna let the fire sit on it for like 5 or 6 hours. If I was walking through the woods and saw this would be the one thing that I'd be like, yeah, I don't want to try to start that. This is gonna be fun, guys. All we have to do is heat up this 10 quadrillion pound bulldozer. This line is busted. Yeah. Oh, that's good luck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this one to stay warm if you guys want to get the dozer started.
Maybe you should start by heating the dozer first.
So the motor's right here, and it's like 8 feet long. When we have the fire directly on this, all we're doing is heating like one tiny spot.
Bro, this shit, like, you thought you had to warm up the car? You thought you had to warm up the car? Imagine waiting like 12, 13 hours to wait for a bulldozer to warm up. Like, I'm not doing that. Y'all boys is freezing up here.
No, that's not the right. I would literally start a fire under this. Seth doesn't think we should start a fire under it.
You start getting that oil to the point where it's going to ignite with that heat from the...
I actually am inclined to agree with you. Okay, so it's like, it's just, hey, he's doing it now. Okay. Is anybody gonna stop him, or is he just gonna...
Add those stumps.
I can't pull a stump out of the ground.
He just do what he want. I like that. I do what I want too, bro. I feel you.
It's actually lighting quite easily.
Everything's steaming, look.
Oh wow, it's actually sick.
If I get this started, I'll put the torch back on and then we can just kindle this.
This
I don't
nigga,
have any problems with fire, personally. Oh my gosh, that's a Ferrari, dude.
He said I ain't had that many problems with fires.
Yeah, then we just spread it.
It had like hella problems with fires. Blowing up. He the dude that blew up that Ferrari. You blowing up a Ferrari is crazy
I never
though.
realized when I was
Like,
younger how important it was, and my dad did stuff like this with me. This is like what I did when I was a kid. I don't think a lot of people know that, because we do stuff with like supercars and things now. It's very important that you teach your kids stuff like this. We got real fire.
Don't burn this son down.
He's plenty warm.
Buddy's been here since 4 a.m.
bro, they've been out there for like 6 hours.
As long as you got some by you, huh?
Doggy camping out under a bulldozer, y'all, and y'all be complaining about being outside. I be complaining about being outside. Doggy really outside camping under a bulldozer.
Air filter.
No way.
Jeez.
It seemed like it's taking them like 2 days to heat up a bulldozer.
So we spent 4 hours under there. We got up at 4 a.m. and it's 8:30. And everybody doubted my fire idea, but here I am with multiple fires of my own. Look at this track. See, look at the snow is like boiling on that thing. You cook a pizza on it. Smoke out. Let it breathe. It looks like it's on fire. Big question here. When I look into this, I don't see an empty pipe. It looks like it's plugged. We weren't getting ether yesterday. Look. Look at that.
Oh, it's
There's ice. There was ice covering it.
That's why we weren't getting beef.
That puck of ice, it probably would have started. All right, guys.
Wow. They could have probably saved 4 hours. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. If I hear something like that, like, you tell me I could have just saved 4 hours. As a Capricorn, bro, my heart would be on fire. Because, like, I don't know. Like, Capricorns, we just always feel like we're running out of time. Oh, do they got it going? Oh, they got it going. I'm excited. I'm not even there.
Give her more ether.
Cause this shit big as hell. Like, dude was had like 5 fires underneath this joint, and now they got it going. I said 6 hours. It took them like 4 hours. So like, he is super excited. I feel him. Crazy. I'm invested now, so we gonna have to react to the whole dang video. I done skipped like a few parts, but oh, they got it. They can low-key drive. They driving the boat, y'all. Oh shit. He said we was camping under here. You sure was, but you sure was.
I thought you have to really like yank, like our tank is like both hands. This is just
No, it's all power.
Does this thing run well?
I don't know if it was smart. You might just
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
Hey, Jack Knight there. He said it's already done in, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. Nope. My stuff up more though, you feel me? They running over the fire, y'all. Well, that's a way to put it out. Dude, like, I ain't gonna lie. Growing up as a kid, I used to have like little toy bulldozers. I'm super like intrigued because like I'm like this thing's heavy, like.
Oh, yes. Oh, gosh.
Oh shit. Hey, that's lit. Alright, let's skip ahead a little bit. They lit for this. Now they out here just playing and toying with it for real. Well, yo, that was a reaction video for Whistling Diesel. Yeah, Whistling Diesel, bro. You doing some crazy stuff, bro. You doing some crazy stuff. I like what you're doing, cause this is like you showing the little boys that you can grow up and be a man and still do all that same stuff that we do like as kids. Like that's lit. Let's skip ahead. Let's see what else they ended up doing with it. I was gonna end it here, but it's a couple more minutes. Let's see what they did. If they got it back to the spot or not.
In order to haul this, we have a really long route. We're in central Montana, so we gotta go straight south, 12 hours, and then we're gonna hang out there, city, Colorado, and then it goes over to Tennessee.
Why would it not go like straight from Montana over straight to Tennessee though?
Just a rest stop.
It's out of the way by like 24 hours.
Unfortunately, bulldozers this big have to be disassembled in order to haul them because they're 15 feet wide. The blade has to come off, and then we pulled off the ripper claws because it still weighs too much to haul on the trailer that we have.
Dang, that's OC. Dang. So they basically gotta keep taking up off stuff until it weighs enough so they can be able to travel with this thing. Cause it's so dang big. I didn't see like oversized loads before, so I'm like.
So we just put on the scales. It weighs 100,000 without the blade, without the steel armor. This is what Jeeps wish they could be.
He said that's what Jeeps wish they could be. Dang, Jeep. He on y'all neck.
That's vintage. T385A. This is rare. That's the 3301, and this is the parts. The other one's like maintenance. I love this out of the trailer. They don't know, I have no experience at all in the trailer. It doesn't hold this.
Why don't you let somebody else do it then?
So it's gonna like probably fall off, but they don't.
There's only like 3 inches of track on each side.
I got it.
He said, I got it. I love the meme, though. Hopefully that's not what happened. Because I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be dying. I think he got it, though.
The blades on the trailer, you can get a good grasp of how big it is. It takes up almost half of this giant trailer.
Mine's left like a thing or two in this time.
Yeah, this is...
Never mind.
This bulldozer that they are hauling, it was like massive, bro.
It doesn't look as cool without the blade, but we just can't haul it that way because it stains a bunch of money. But that being said, I also had to ship the blade on another trailer, so it's double the price. So that's really good. The blade was balanced.
No, that's not.
Huge ball. He's like right at weight capacity right now, his weight limit. So he can haul 100,000, and we're only 196,000.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
comfortable hauling 100.
We're way over.
He's comfortable doing it.
We're gonna get
driver. Oh, that looks
Bro,
so
this
cool.
nigga
I
is...
Love the logos.
Okay, that's actually cool.
Komatsu D355. This is like the most notorious dozer of all time.
It is.
I mean,
The child in him is extremely, like, happy.
I know.
What did you say?
That was weird.
I'm gonna stop it right here because basically what all they're doing is they're just loading it up and getting ready to ship it. So the video is gonna be over. But like the inner child in me is very happy for this nigga. You feel me? I'm super excited, bro. You probably finna go tear some shit up with that motherfucker. You feel me? Go, you feel me? Do a whole bunch of shit, like little kid ass shit. You feel me? I love that. But that's the reaction video. Mac finna be done. Cam finna be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this edited out for y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's 2 real night, and I hope y'all like the reaction.